All right, so the pack decided to get us up at 5:30 instead of 6. And they just all started banging away. So here we are. That was your sunrise that you're supposed to see every morning. Ain't nothing there. Jerry done this. Jerry. Why did you do this? Hi, Jerry. Jerry. You got everybody up. Why did you do that? Why'd you do that, baby? Is that enough? Get down! Get down! Off your sister. What in the world are you doing? Alright, release them. I don't know what to do. It's too early. Tubby. They already howled before he even got up. Alright, I don't know where any of these guys are because it's totally dark out there. Out. Everyone out. 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 Okay, let's go see what's going on. Bubbles. We're not going to be able to see anyone out here. Mr. Bubs, do your business. Let's go. Alright, everybody. So, not a very exciting intro here because we got no lights. These dudes are all out there. I can see them, but I'm sure it's not coming up anywhere on the camera. Alright. So, with that, everybody, we thank you guys. Let's go inside, guys. Let's go. Alright. There we go. Yeah. Knock it off, Toby. Knock it off. What in the world are you doing, man? Tubby. Tubby is that dude. He's the guy. If you guys know that guy, the guy that just can't get along with anyone, that's the guy right there. You see him? We all have that guy. We all know the dude that's just kind of like him, but he fights everybody. All right. So that's it. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks to family out there. Much love to everybody out there. Leo, can you give everyone kisses? That's a big old kiss on Leo's nose. Goodbye, everybody. Have a good day.